Hi everybody. Today I would like to give you a small tip on how we can reduce the complexity of the engineering definition that we see in the widget engineering release by doing simple actions directly from within the widget. So the challenge here is to refine and reduce the list of the displayed products in the engineering definition, especially when you have a very complex product structure, and by that you can reach out to your products which are of your interest in order to do a specific action or set of actions that you are interested in. So the tip here is that you can use a filter which you can directly apply to the column itself. It's a column that you see from within the widget without going to run and activate the whole advanced filter. So here you can apply the filter directly on the column of your interest, and by that slowly reducing the list of the engineering items that you see in this widget, and finally reach to the list of those items of your interest, or probably more than that list, but at least you can reduce the whole complexity and you can easily get to that list of such engineering items. So let's see how this works. So here I am opening the complete product structure, and this could be a very big list as you can see here, and I start applying this local filter on the column. For example, I'm interested of those items which are not locked because I'm interested to update them and to do some work on them. Then I am interested in specific types of items, so I'm not interested in any 3D shape or items of type knowledge engineering, preparation, and so on. So I make my own selection directly from within the list. And finally, I want to see only those engineering items which are not released, so they could be frozen or in work. And eventually, I will make a selection now from the list that I have received after this whole filtering, and I can apply one action. For example, you can set the enterprise item number for selected list of engineering items in order to define these enterprise item numbers in one click. And that's it. So that was a short tip just to give you a hint on how you can reduce the complexity of product structures, especially that they can be really very long and very big and complex. And eventually you reach out to a specific set of those items that can be of your interest. Thank you.